In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create board folders in Monday.com. Organizing your workspace effectively can greatly enhance your productivity, and having your projects grouped intuitively in folders is a fantastic way to achieve that. So let's jump right into the process. First, you want to start by adding a new folder in your Monday.com workspace. To do this, glance over to the left panel of your screen. You'll see a list of workspaces, and just adjacent to the name of your current workspace, you'll find a little plus icon. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. It's a small yet powerful tool for customizing the way your boards are organized. After clicking the plus icon, a new option will appear, simply labeled Folder. Click on it, and just like that, you've created a new folder. It's a blank canvas, ready for you to name it whatever suits your project needs. Once your folder is created, take a moment to give it a meaningful name. This will make finding relevant boards easier and help you manage your tasks more effectively. Now, let's move on to placing your boards into this new folder. This step is actually quite straightforward, thanks to the intuitive drag and drop feature that Monday.com offers. If you have boards that you want in this folder, all you need to do is click on a board that you'd like to move, hold it, and then drag it over to your recently created folder. Once it's hovering over the folder, you can release it. And voila, the board is now neatly tucked inside your folder. You might also want to stack boards under a folder in a particular order for even better organization. To do this, simply drag your boards to the right side. This action will position them under the folder above it, allowing you to maintain a hierarchical structure if that's what you prefer. Conversely, if you find that a board needs to be repositioned or removed from the folder entirely, you can easily move it to the left, which will take it out of the folder altogether. And there you have it. You've successfully created a folder and organized your boards within it. As you continue to use Monday.com, you'll find these simple steps can really help streamline your workflow, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters, getting your work done efficiently and effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you keep your boards in perfect order. Feel free to explore and tailor your workspace further, and stay tuned for more tips on making the most of Monday.com.